Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert USDT to ZAR on Binance. All right. So first off, as you can see here, I am under Binance.com using my computer. Now, once you've logged in, you'll be able to see this dashboard. So you can just go ahead and click on convert right here. Okay. Or you can go ahead over to trade at the very top. Now go ahead and click on convert into block trade. Click on it. Wait for it to load in. Once it loads, we have the instant conversion. Okay. Now what you do in here is just go and find from USDT, of course. Now convert it to ZAR. Click on this drop down. Now go to use the search bar and just type down ZAR. Okay. We now have a South African rand right here. So just click on it. Now go ahead and enter the amount that you would like to convert, okay? Amount of USDT that you would like to convert to ZAR. Let's say 100 USDT, and it will be converted to this amount of ZAR, okay? And if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on preview, okay? Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and max it out right here. I have 2.8 USDT, and I'll receive this amount of ZAR. So I'm going to click on preview. Now, all you got to do is just click on convert right here. And in no time, you'll have your ZAR. That is it. That is how you convert USDT to ZAR on Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.